Oh shit. Fish on. Fish on. Oh shit. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Brian! Barra, barra, barra. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Jamaica Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. I'm here again with Clark's Legacy 876, guys. So we're about to touch a new spot that we have not touched or shot a video yet. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to get in here and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned. Jamaica Shore Fishing. We are out here. Morning. Brian's here again. Clark's Legacy 876. The water looks rough this morning, guys. We got a little bit of rough water this morning, and we're gonna drop some lines. Water don't look good at all this morning, guys. Not at all. Yeah, Brian, this water don't look good at all this morning. Look horrible. See, rough today, bro. Just lean you up there, some man, on the wall. See, rough this morning, man. I don't want to come earlier than this. Alright, I'm gonna pull those out in a second. Eh? Yeah, I got shrimp. Yeah, this don't look promising with the lures this morning. Not on the lures. But if you use a noisemaker, you can possibly get away with it. Something that make noise and high color, high visibility, you'll definitely get a hit on that. When the sun comes out. But if the sun is not out, we're not going to get any hits like that this morning. Unless you're hitting those shallows over there, which you... I don't think any barrows be hanging out here this morning like this. I'm going to have to probably tie up a rig, set a line, and see what we can pick up. Get out there this morning. Huh? Yeah, I got a few rods with me just in case. So I'm just testing. We're gonna have to wait till the sun peaks up over here a bit and see what it brings with the lures afterwards. But right now, yeah. Let me park this rod real quick, guys. I'm gonna pull out the other rods, pull out 2 rigs and some bait. Yeah. I'm gonna hang up this right here, guys. Huh? No. I can change my lures, but what I'm gonna do is just set up 2 drop line rigs real quick and get those set up. I think I have a few up here, but I need to just retie back some of them. Alright, let me get some rigs out. When I go fishing, you know, it's a permit jack time, yes? Oh, you're talking in Greenwood. I'm gonna reuse this rig. Cut that off, kill that. Put my leader up top here. 1, 2. You might pick up a jack like this morning. Who knows? Alright, that's ready. I need to get another rig tied up. I don't want this stuff scattered all over the place. Let me get this out of there. I need the weights off of this. Spark plug for the weight when you don't have it. Yeah, plug right, that's what to see, man.
Taking with battery coil.
Yeah, we do that, but how much battery coil they go do?
Exactly.
No matter how old the battery is now, you know, they sell them, you know, they buy them.
Because it live better, you know, because the treats, you know.
Alright, so we can't get as much lead as we want, because when we dash around 10 pounds lead one time, when you're out of the fish.
Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, showing Pari how to do a snell. Now we're gonna do a T-knot. So we send that back through the loop. Come back through there, so we have a double contact line, not a single. So now we have 2 lines here. So what we're gonna do is go around the 3 fingers and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adjust it to the length that you want it, and then tighten it. See it? Creates a knot. Then you come like this. Watch. Then you hold it like this. Go. Going across like this. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that loop open. Bring that hook back through the loop. Bring the knot through the loop. Rest the knot right on the loop. Wet it so it can slide. And pull it. Creates a T-knot. See that, right? Alright. That's a T-knot, brother. Show you another knot. So come back again, add a second hook. Size this? 1 knot. Oh, 30. 30 on the line. Go like this again.
Heavyweight that you use, man?
Yeah, 3 ounce. Water's rough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Loop. Boom. Come up, pull, tension, pull. Make sure this is straight. Then you pull. And give you a snell knot. See it? Come back out again. Back through it. Create a double contact. 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adjust the length. Tighten. Come back with your loop after you tighten that. Go across. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, you bring hook back up to loop. Go through the loop with a hook. Bring knot through loop. Pull on both ends real quick so the knot rests right on the loop. Wet it saliva to let it get slide. And lock. You create a T-knot right there. After you get your T-knot in, you grab your weight. You go like this with your finger over your 2 fingers, line that you're pulling, and then you wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you go so. And bring that loose end back through the loop that went over your finger, pull, and it creates a uni knot. See, now you have a rig set up with a weight at the bottom. So the next thing you need is that swivel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring that loose end in. Alright, Mr. White, see this? Now I have created an over-under rig, and that's it. I'm ready to drop this line in the water. You understand? Alright. These can go back in there. I don't need no more rigs right now. Alright. That's good. Lines. Yeah, that's our border.
Much strain, much pound strain.
30 pounds. All my lines.
And you look for slim bar.
All my lines are 30 pounds, Mr. White.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, so.
Might leave and come back.
Oh, you leave and you fish with me, Mr. White. I set up line for your fish with and you talk about your left. Hey, Mr. White, nobody play with me today, no, Mr. White. And you could also come out and come fish with me today, you know. No hurt my feelings today, no, Mr. White, with me fishing, you know. No play with me and me fishing, sir. So now, Mr. White, what me I try to show you, say, see what me I cast out?
Yeah.
I show you a vibe, I cast out one of them and show you. Pray. And I set you right here, so which part you sit on. See him? I go out, you know. Oh, Brian drop that, so. Brian set over there, so. Alright. Send out this one, guys. Let's bring. Fish on! Brian got fish on already, guys. Drop line! Huh? Oh shit! What do you got? Barra. Barra. That was a good drop out there.
The big man. Yeah. How much yankage? 2 or 3? And then drop her off. I think I 2 yankage and then drop her off.
Yeah. Something like that. Watch it now. Sit in my line here now, Mr. White. I haven't set line. I didn't intend to come to do this kind of fishing today. Eh? Oh damn. Haven't gotten any hit yet, guys. I'm gonna set these lines right here and then get out there with my lure, because you know me and lure fishing already. This line's getting hit already. This line's getting hit already. Look. Let me touch you, look around. Bite. Yellow rod. Let me see, look around, man. Fish on, guys. Yeah. Fish on, guys. Drop line fishing. Haven't done it in a while, guys, but you know. Snapper. Dinner size snapper. One down, Mr. White. Let's bend the hook to you and push it. Alright, and push it forward. Let's push it forward, man. What you say? A lunch where I look? Yeah, look lunch today, guys. So 1-on-1, Brian. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna send this one back out again.
Oh man, them are nice to eat, man. Nice to eat. You want to taste butterfish? This is a butterfish. It's a fish that tastes like a real butter.
Right, it again. Fish on. Fish on again, Brian. Another, I don't know what the hell, they look like a wrench here or something. Oh, look at Jack. Look at bad Jack. He's the one that we want to set for Barra.
Sure, my Jack.
He's the one that we want to set for Barra. Alright. I haven't done this in a while. Put on my damn
Long time. You know.
long time. I haven't done drop line fishing in a while. I realized how much work it is. So we don't have much bait left, guys. We just brought some out just to try this because you know it's not our normal thing. Yeah, I've hit 10-20 pounds fish on shrimp. They love shrimp, bro. This is the bait. That's serious. See how far that go? Far it go, you know? We out some send him, man. Soldier crab up there, you know?
No, they're not running now. They're not running, man.
Yeah, shore fishing. So we out here with Brian again, guys. And I gotta check this rod because that yellow rod just been hitting in that spot that it's been dropping in. Bait gone off of this, Mr. White. I have to peel one more and put it on. Take off the shell off of it so it stay up on the hook better. Yeah.
The thing is shrimp, man.
The thing eat shrimp, every fish eat shrimp, man. Because I'm not change off my lure yet. I'm going to some rock stone and go so. Change off my lure and put on one high vis lure. You'll see something this morning, Mr. White. Let me get this one out there. Whole heap of blood cleat work this enough. You got something again, Brian? Let me get this one out. Alright, now I need to change my lure. Hey guys, I gotta continuously watch these lines, yo. This is crazy shit, trying to do drop line fishing and lure fishing at the same goddamn time, bro. I hate that shit. And I'm here doing it this morning, and that's crazy. That is crazy, Brian. I don't normally do it, but...
We'll have to wait until the sun come out a little bit more.
Yeah, we still do, but... Like I said, we're working it. I'm gonna see if I can switch up this lure real quick. Drop a high vis on here. A noise making high vis with a treble hook. Haha.
It's not really loud now. The top water loud. The loud one, I look for, but it's not left in that trap.
Alright, I'm gonna go with this. Yellowtails love this shit. I don't know why. Oh shit. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, Brian. Good fish. Good fish, Brian. Fish on, Brian. Get this on video. Video. Good fish. Good fish.
What is it?
That is it, guys. Good fish. Jamaican shore fishing.
What is it?
Good fish, Brian. He hit that line like a gunshot a while ago, Brian.
Oh, nice.
Woo! Baby! Look at this. Did me.
Nice one.
Hey, look what Mr. White face. Look what Mr. White face. Say fat. Like, oh, you say Mr. White like a mumpy. Mr. White, let me get my pliers. Me I want pliers. Hold on. Let me get my pliers. He swallowed that one. Let me see line. You know, see line lift up. Look why Mr. White. He lift up the line. Come, Mr. White.
Take him, man.
He swallow it in there. Yeah, man, I'm good to go, Mr. White. And drop him knife. Cooler, man. Good to go. Yo, yeah, Mr. White, Johnny, Mr. White's like, yo, a party they are going now. Yeah. Yeah, guys.
You know, say bad enough after what you gonna miss you to boom.
Yeah.
You pull your time out.
Yeah, man.
Then be too fast. But him swallow up him, man. Good.
Yeah, man. I saw them stay, Mr. White, when they're ready for grab on, man. You see, like how they know say food that come out they know, Mr. White?
They will come in more.
Yeah, they will come in more.
That's why you drop the head in the water, man.
Mm-hmm. Me say, Red, lift up off our ground, look what in the youth. Hey guys, drop line fishing and lure fishing this morning. I'm trying to get the lure out. I had to slap the lure. I don't know what I threw my lure a while ago. Yo, the rod literally lift up, Brian, the rod lift up off the ground, dogs.
Oh, yeah, take it off of the...
I think I dropped the lure in here something. Oh shit. I heard wee. Nice 2 pound snapper, you know? Here shore fishing.
We look like catch on.
Oh, my camera's recording. Here guys, so we just got the snapper. We got Mr. White here with us today. First time out with Jamaican shore fishing. Shawnee's actually here today. She's up there reading her book. And Brian is on point, guys. We're here. And we're just doing some drop line. I was supposed to be lure fishing this morning, guys. Guys, I lucky some of the drop line fish this morning, so let me catch fish. Brian catch one barra, you know. But Brian, I barra hunter today, guys. I'm drop lining. You got something? Here, guys. So we at this awesome spot. Which one? Hold on, Mr. White. Hold on. I know so it work. Like so, Mr. White. Not the funny man.
You don't have fire, man, like a drop off or something.
Nah, man. I touch it. I bite him more time, man. When the line, yeah, then grab it and let it go. I said to that if them pull it, in, lift up, you know. You not go nowhere, man. That's what you do, Mr. White. You grab down here, so, and go so and set him. This once you set the hook in, I'm out, the hook lock on that yellow rod. Alright, sure fishing. We're gonna check on the yellow rod, but I gotta get some more bait out first before I pull that in. Let's get some more bait out. Nice size snappers in here, guys. Going good today, lane snappers. Haven't caught any snappers in a while. Be honest to you. I bait up the water when I do that, you know. You see me chum the water. Ah, yeah. So, which one? Oh shit, go get it. Brian! No, he's on it. Set hook, you know. Yep. Damn it. I'm looking at your rod. Yeah, guys, so. Oh shit. Brian, you're on my line.
Pull the tail.
Yeah, then just grab part of it and run.
Yeah,
sometimes that's why I use such 1/0 hooks. I don't use big hooks for them. I use 1/0 hooks, like 2/0 hooks, 3/0 hooks. I don't go any bigger than that on drop line because what you want the hook to do is go in and hold. You know what I mean? Alright, let's check these lines now. Check this yellow line. This yellow line should be dead. So look. Yeah, man. I'm gonna check all these lines and reset them back again. I'm gonna set them in a different direction this time. Hey, me I pull in line like this already and jackfish licky, you know, dogs. With the bait pan, you know, jackfish catch you while it a move, you know. Me I pull in line like this already and barra licky with the fish pan and chop the fish in a half. Take where my fish.
That's why the lure catch them enough out there. Catch fish.
Yeah. Try to go right towards those piers with your cast, Brian. I think that's structure enough to get some fish, Brian.
Hook one over there, you know.
I think there's a reef over that side a little bit.
Time out and realize that the hook bend up, you know, man. The hook actually straighten out.
Then you remember the 10 pound snapper we catch tonight, Brian? When me and you and Jamar dip on the pier, man, and the hook. If you never gaff him to ride, Brian have to gaff the fish 2 times, you know. Big old gaff sitting there, man. Big old 10 pound snapper. Snapper big in big. So I bury the hook in the bait. Hook. And then I double pin back the hook in the bait and send the hook tip back on the other side, look a bit. So when they do grab, they'll grab the hook. I wonder if I have any more bells on me. I'm sure. That's enough line, you know. One at a time. Going out. Bells. One you find? Eh? I don't know what I do with mine. I gotta locate them. So I'm gonna do that now. Let the fish pull at that him do. And then just tighten this up and lock him in, and so I'm carrying pull with my fishing rod, you understand? So I set, they call it the drag system. So I set my drag system that at none time and you get bait or whatever, but you can't take on my rod.
What's this?
Huh? You will hear him, man. Once he run, man, you will know, man.
They bite, man.
He might bite, but he not grab. You tell when he grab, man, you know. They're touching, guys.
Bite, watch it, watch it.
You see it, man. Hold on, man. I tell you.
That's all I get, man. Watch it.
Fish on. Wow, look at snapper. I don't know, I'm big.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I catch now.
Now, I don't show them the back, you know. Drop line, I keep me busy this morning, guys. Now I get no chance to choke my lure. Right, you're eyeballing, so. See them at touchy. Oh, look at snapper again. Oh, damn. Hey guys, so that. I don't normally do drop line fishing nowadays. I mean, but I have gears. But yo guys, me and Brian's here. Brian hit, I think I hit about four fish on already on the drop line, and I think Brian got 2 on the lure so far. I haven't picked up anything on the lure, but I might just try a different spot on the way home to try to see if I can pick something up. But my line's been going off. They've been hitting. I got a few snappers. I can say I can make dinner. You know what I mean? That's what's up. Or lunch. Cook up some lunch for us out here today. So stay tuned, guys. Epic adventure today. We're just out on a relaxed end. Nice canopy. Nice area, and just chilling, guys. Bless up yourself. New spot me and Brian's hitting up. Really, you can't really come here really unless you're booking the place. It's private. So that's what's up, guys. So stay tuned for more epic adventure with Jamaican shore fishing out here. Alright guys, bless up yourselves. Boom bang.